Realme launched its new budget smartphone under Narzo series in India called Realme Narzo N63, with quiet premium-looking design. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Realme Narzo N63 features a tall 6.74-inch HD Plus display, with up to 90 Hz refresh rate, and up to 560 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Uni SoC T612 chipset, paired with Mali G57 GPU. The smartphone packs with 4 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, that can be extended up to another 4 GB by using internal storage, and it has 64 or 128 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of optics, the Realme Narzo N63 sports a dual-camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, along with the unspecified auxiliary lens. For selfies, it has 8-megapixel camera under the U-shaped notch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 45 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 14, with Realme UI 5.0 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP54 certified for dust and splash resistance, and it also includes Mini Capsule 2.0 feature for notifications. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 167.26 by 76.67 by 7.74mm, and it weighs around 190 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Realme Narzo N63 has been priced in India for 4GB plus 64GB storage variant at 8,499 Indian rupees, while the 4GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 8,999 Indian rupees. And it will be available at a discount price as follows for a limited period of time. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from June 10th, in leather blue and twilight purple color options. So, what do you guys think of this Realme Narzo N63 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.